YouTube, been super busy. Just picked up 3 free cars in the past couple days, and been towing some other vehicles for friends and whatnot. But this is one of them. It's a freaking 80-something Mustang. Need to slap a distributor in it and a gas tank. This is the other one. It's some Camaro 90-something. No motor, no trans. I'm gonna take the wheels off and take the rear end out for me. The rest of it, I'm just gonna part it out and then scrap it. And the last vehicle was this 2000 Ranger. I just gave it to Matt and his little brother. Changing window regulators on my girlfriend's 2002, I think, Ford Focus. Doing both sides. The clips and stuff were broken. If you want to see stuff like this that I do on the side other than S10 stuff, like I work on other vehicles all the time, leave it in the comments. I don't know what the heck you guys want to see. I'm trying to keep it a lot of S10 stuff, but if you want to see all the other vehicles I work on, let me know and I'll throw up more videos of those. Got to put the oil pan on and the front and rear cover. Also, this fucking whipper plate, shit, forget whatever it's called, and this tube, suck up tube thing. Here's the pickup tubes. They seem to be pretty identical. New one has like a little tiny extra kink or something right there, and the top of the head is turned at a different angle. The old windage tray, not too much of a difference, I notice. This little fancy part here versus flat, and this dimple's huge versus not so much, but I don't really notice too much of a difference. Basically same height and all that. I don't know if I'm missing something. The whole reason I bought the new oil pan, you can see right here, right off the bat, this one is like nice and flat. This one like bows out here and then it goes down. Right, another difference is the drain plug location. This one's right here. This is right here on the side. 8 inches to this guy. 7 inches, looks like 6 3/4 to that. 6 3/4. It's about 6.5. Top is about 7.5 to almost 6.5. About 6.5 to almost 5.5. It's like 7. This one's like 6 3/4. Just over 6.5. Almost 2. About 3. This guy's about 2 because it's like barreled. Not quite 3. It's a little skinnier there. There's a big old hump in this thing. This guy's just basically straight up. Also, no sensor over here on this guy, but it has this little thing. Don't know what that is. This fucking little bracket deal right here ain't the right bend, so having to just give it a little loving, I guess. I don't fucking know. Whatever fits now, dude. Okay, fitment of the windage tray was pretty dang good. The oil pickup tube, kind of shit though. Trying to put this bad boy on. So all that trans fluid didn't want to be in the torque converter, obviously, so it came out. But yeah, time to smack these two puppies together. About to lift it up so I can reach the couple others on the bottom of this thing. Another thing about the oil pan, these two ears right here, the transmission bolts to those. Looking at the new oil pan, this one right here bolts to it. The other side, that bolt on the oil pan leads to nothing, and this one leads to nothing. Whew. Alright, basically at a point now with the motor. Try to start ramming it in here. Gonna take these fenders out, clean up some of this wiring. Little bolt right here. The little clip thing that holds the nut side. It's all busted on the back side, so I'm gonna have to whack that. Do it tomorrow. Phone's dead. Fucking, it's dark. Going inside. Cannot reach the nuts again, so I'm gonna cut holes in the frame, just like in V8 S10 build video number 6. Cut holes exactly right here, and that one basically already has a hole. So do the same thing. You can reach the nuts on the backside pretty easily. That one is off. Hole worked freaking perfect. These old junkers out of here. Slap the new ones in. Might paint this first though. This one I have to move these fuel lines out of the way. They're basically in their own hole. And take them out. I think they go back there in the frame. Might pull those completely out. Got the whole fuel lines out of the S10. Just in case I ever want to use them again. The whole length. And I could copy the bends if I want to make my own. Now that the fuel lines are out, I can get back to taking this motor mount off. Might be able to use that hole right there. Basically the same size as that guy. Check out this fucking tire. Look at the alignment on that bad boy. Short 15 for the win. Don't even need to ream more holes. Got it. So scrub this up. Give her a little black paint. Slap the new motor mounts in. Alright. That is it for this one. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.